guys, this is Praful Kulkarni. Welcome back and thanks for joining in. So, what a day we had. So, easily one of the toughest expiries, if not the toughest expiries to trade. And दोनों तरफ से स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो रहे थे, स्लिपेज में इतना सारा लॉस हो रहा था, and the gamma moves were just ferocious. So, it was clearly, I personally felt that I was actually entering into a battlefield. So, जैसे मार्केट खत्म हुआ, so I felt like I just came out of a war zone. Bank Nifty fell 1,000 points from the open, recovered 1,200 points, and then again fell 600 points. So it's going to be very obvious if I say that the option premiums didn't price in this kind of a movement. So easily one of the days, so easily one of the toughest days to manage, and provided that this is an expiry day and the gamma moves were just ferocious. And a lot of people, a lot of good traders, the traders who I look up to, they took a heavy hit today. No amount of stop losses, no hedging would have worked today unless you would have just gotten out of the market and said, bro, like I'm out, I'm not going to trade. Because markets would have tested your resilience and persistence till the last tick. 330 होने तक market तुम्हारा perseverance को test किया है आज, and clearly one of the toughest expiries to trade. And having said that, we did decent. Not only did we manage to come out profitable, we managed to not take any damage today, which itself is a great thing. So we managed to return somewhere around 1.5% of the deployed capital. We somehow made 32 33k of profits. We were sitting on a decent 80 85k of profits, and I was expecting somewhere around 1.2 1.3 lakhs to take home. But of course, markets being the markets, they obviously have different plans for us. But very happy that we didn't take any loss and we came out profitable. And इस वीडियो में काफी ज़्यादा मैंने explain किया है because for the first half of the markets were constantly downtrending. So in the first half of the markets, you'd get a lot of information on how to keep shifting the ranges, especially on expiry day when the premiums are not that great. Alright, and in the second half of the markets were extremely volatile, and especially after 1 o'clock, the moves were so ferocious, I wouldn't be able to explain while I was taking the trades. And I think the screen recorder was on, so I'm gonna play whatever has been recorded. So looks like there's gonna be a lot of takeaways for you guys. I hope that इस वीडियो में आपको कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. And if you like the video, keep sharing and subscribe to the channel. End तक देखो, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Alright guys, the time is currently 9:25. हमने सारे positions ले रखे हैं, and of course we are looking at the minor slippages while executing the orders, and because of that this is the case. Collectively, what we have done is we have established a 300 points triangle. हमने 300 points triangle establish किए हैं. So the first line of support is this, wherever the market is taking the support, and the second line of support is 14,400. जब 14,400 पे आता है, then we look at the behavior of 14,300 का put. So obviously because of IV spike, all the options are spiking up. So we should not, try to manage the options by premiums now. So all we have to do is basically we have to look at managing the options based on range. So that being said guys, the time is currently 9:35, just 5 minutes हुआ है. I just wanted to give you guys the update, and we are currently looking at around a 7k loss here and around 6k loss here. Alright, MTM wise. But points wise, we are only down by less than 2 points here. And यहाँ पे तो since one of our stop losses got hit, the put side stop loss got hit, and of course like we had to take damage on that. And what we are looking at, हम क्या देख रहे हैं, ठीक है? We have collected a bit of extra premiums on the call side, and the put side premiums are lesser. तो अभी adjustments कहाँ पे हुआ? The first adjustment will be, suppose यहाँ पे जो halt candle बनाया है, I'll just delete this. Okay, यहाँ पे जो halt candle बनाया है, correct? These two are the halt candles. इन halt candles के ऊपर, ठीक, अगर इन halt candles के ऊपर अगर close दे देता है, ठीक है, that is when we are going to roll away our calls back. ये जो 550 का कॉल से पहले will roll away half of our calls back to 14,600, and if the move sustains for 15-20 minutes, then we're gonna roll away all the calls back to 14,600 so that we won't be taking a lot of damage. Alright, so that being said, डाउनवर्ड एडजस्टमेंट कहां पे रहेगी, ठीक है? the open interest clearly shows and even the price action patterns clearly shows that, let's see, okay, this should be a good support zone, 14350 levels. Alright, 14350 level should be a good support zone. अगर market 14400 को breach करता है, then we'll be looking at shifting down these puts away to 14250. We'll be waiting till 14300 to be breached, and only then we'll be making any of the adjustments. And so looks like we're gonna breach down. Okay. Yes. The pace with which these calls are deflating, with the same pace these puts are not at all expanding. So from almost 10-12k loss, we almost got back to cost. So that's all we require. And once the market starts stabilizing, or even if it starts going higher, I don't believe that these calls will inflate to a much higher value, because the calls are around 100 points away from the current strike and the puts are around 150 points from the current strike. So as of now we are well balanced, and देखते देखते हम negative territory से positive territory में आ गए. So we were just down by 2 points, less than 2 points, so which was not that a great deal. And अभी क्या हो रहा है? What's happening is both the 14600 call and 14400 put open interest are significantly gaining. तो दोनों जगह पे open interest बढ़ रहा है. So what does it say is markets participants are expecting the markets to stay between 14600 and 14400. So obviously we have the downside risk higher. So हम क्या करेंगे? हम थोड़ा नीचे हैं 14300 पे बैठे, right? So जैसे 14400 unwind होना शुरू हो जाएगा, if we see slightest hint of the 14400 getting unwound, that is when we start taking some adjustments to our trade. Until then, I don't think there will be any adjustments required. There has been good support from the Asian markets. Correct? There has been good support from the Asian markets because we are getting mixed signals from the Asian markets. And Dow Jones ने क्या किया था? Dow Jones almost it was up by 1%, and at the end of the day it gave up all its gains. So it ended flat. So अगर यहाँ से कुछ short covering rally आ जाती है, तो that would be some sort of a trouble for us. But we'll never know whether a short covering rally comes or not. But as I said, ये जो halt candle है, जब तक ये halt candle के ऊपर या इस support के ऊपर, let's say this support के ऊपर जब तक close नहीं होता, तब तक we won't be doing any adjustments to our positions, because 14300 is almost 150 points away. So जो भी लोग buy करके रखे होंगे, those people will start dumping these puts at a rapid rate. जैसे इनको पता चलता है कि भाई ये support and ये halt candle के ऊपर market close देगा, तो they'll know that bro, like the downside is limited. ठीक है, अगर market downside आया भी तो हम profit में नहीं रहने वाले. Correct? We'll just be able to cover the costs. So that's not a good risk reward trade. So what they'll start to do is they'll start to dump these puts aggressively. जब ये puts aggressively dump हो जाएगा, that's when we'll get some benefit from that. And currently markets are at 14450, and if you have to talk about the constituent indices, Reliance has taken some sort of a support. The volumes are not concerning in this down move. And at the same time, HDFC has formed a price action pattern and it's heading low. 2450 ka level gets breached. It's currently at 2448, but if it decisively gets breached, 2445 ka levels agar breach ho jata hai, so then we have to be very careful. At the same time, Nifty IT is also gapped down and it is sliding down. Even Nifty IT has gapped down and it is sliding down. So we are not looking strong, particularly inflated. So suddenly what you're seeing is the puts are not spiking up, and these calls, which are just 150, 120 points away, they are completely deflated within a span of a minute. So that's why we gained around 1.5 points, 2 points in the span of last 2 minutes, so which is a good thing for us. What we essentially did, we rolled down half of our puts to 14300, and इनका जो average बन जाता है 22 plus 1335, which is around 17 rupees. So this position is again pretty much balanced. So where will be the point where we're gonna make the adjustments? The adjustments will be made if 14400 level, that is this, there's a support and there is a 14400 round number which should hold as a good support, and even the open interest data is saying the same thing. All right, guys, the time is currently 10:20, and we have almost captured 8 points of DK, right? 23, 24, 25, 26, 25 to 26 के आसपास profit चल रहा है. So what I've essentially done is, since Bank Nifty has broken down 14,400 levels, 14,400 levels जो break किया है, just a minute. Since Bank Nifty has broken 14,400 levels, I've shifted half my puts from 14,300 to 14,250, थोड़ा risk off किया. And at the same time 14,550 से जो कॉल था उसको भी मैंने रिस्क ऑफ कर, आई मीन 14,550 से जो कॉल था उसको थोड़ा एडिशनल प्रीमियम कलेक्ट करने के लिए हाफ ऑफ द 14,550 कॉल्स हैव बीन शिफ्टेड टू 14,500 कॉल्स. So look at the average. This is 20 and this is 10, somewhere around 15, and this is 22 and 14, somewhere around 16 rupees. So premiums wise we are well balanced, and funds कितना ब्लॉक हुआ है? Around 17 lakhs ब्लॉक हुआ है. So I've already made around 1.5% of the margin, block margin. So the plan is, if we suddenly head down to this, head down below this, so we're going to shift all these puts away to 14,250, and we'll shift all these calls away to, I mean all these calls inside to 14,500. And on the Bank Nifty front, suddenly we have started to look at around 5,000 profits. It's because 33,100 calls has decayed a lot. So abhi what we can do is we can actually close this position out. अगर position close करता है तो we'll be benefiting quite a bit. But let's look at where our trailing stop loss is. Once the Bank Nifty call trades below 83, we're gonna trail the SL to 124, and I think that hasn't happened yet. जब तक वो होता नहीं है, on a combined thing, we have almost captured around 30k of profits. Alright, guys, the time is 10:40. ठीक है, and there's no change in the positions in Nifty discretionary trade, but in Bank Nifty what I've done is I've done a small adjustment. मैंने क्या किया है? 30 to 500 put, since we had a stop loss of 33,100 put hit, तो मैंने क्या किया? 30 to 500 पे I've just shorted it at 70 rupees. तो इसका stop loss मैं कहाँ पे रखा हूँ? Somewhere around 100 rupees, 99.65 पे रखा हूँ. So 100 rupees पे यहाँ पे stop loss रखा हूँ. मान लो कि मार्केट सडनली नीचे गिर गया, तो what's gonna happen is इसका तो stop loss चला जाएगा, जाने दो. At the same time, this 33,100 C would have given a profit. क्योंकि अगर देखते हैं कि the market has already given break even for the current week's trade. यहाँ पे देखो 7,900 लॉस हो रहा है, एंड यहाँ पे 8,700 लॉस हो रहा है, एंड 7,900 प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. तो pretty much कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट बोल सकता है. सपोज अगर मार्केट यहां से रिवर्सल ले लिया, सडनली रिवर्सल ले लिया, हमारा इसका ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस कहां पे है? हमारा ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस 215 पे है, विच इज अराउंड 70 रुपीज. करेक्ट. अगर मार्केट रिवर्सल ले लेता है, सो दिस 32,500 पुट शुड एसेंशियली डीके टू जीरो. दैट टाइम ऑल्सो वी वोंट मेक एनी लॉस. सपोज मान लो मार्केट यहां पे ही हॉल्ट किया एंड इसका भी स्टॉप लॉस नहीं हिट हुआ और इसका भी स्टॉप लॉस नहीं हिट हुआ, सो इन दैट केस we'll be essentially making around 15k on this, which is around close to 200 points, 120 points from this and 70 points from this, 190 points something. So we are basically risking some part of our profits for a potential down move, and here we are looking at around 28k MTM profits. So currently no changes to be made as long as this day's lows get taken out. अगर day's low अगर taken out हो जाता है, तो what we're going to do is we're going to shift all these 14,300 puts back to 14,250 puts, and we're going to shift all these 14,550 calls because they'll be left with only some 7 or 8 rupees. So we'll be shifting all that back to 14,500. So that's going to be the adjustments for today. Guys, the time is close to 11. 11 o'clock होने को आ गया है. And what we have done is we have essentially shifted all our puts to 14,250. We didn't want to risk much on these puts. So हमने क्या किया है? Complete puts को risk off कर दिया है. And calls को क्या किया है? We have pushed the calls down to 14,500. That's what open interest is saying. 14,500 पे heavy call rating हो रहा है, right? So currently we are looking at around, we have captured around 10 points. The profits are somewhere around 29 to 30k. And on this, on Bank Nifty front, 70 rupees से almost 88, 89 तक आ गया है. So looks like we're gonna have to take the stop loss. Once we take the stop loss, we're gonna tighten the trailing stop loss of this, and we're gonna go further away, another 200-300 points away put, and we'll short that to collect some 40 or 50 points. So that's the idea behind that. We are looking at around 4.5k profits on 4 to 4.5k profits on Bank Nifty, and around 30k profits on Nifty. So currently this level looks good to hold because 14,500, of course, like 14,250 put is around 190 points away from the current strike price, and 14,500 call is just 110 points away from the current strike price. But अगर मार्केट ऊपर जाना शुरू करता है तो बिकॉज ऑफ द विक्स क्रश एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द क्रीपिंग नेचर ऑफ द मार्केट टुवर्ड्स द अपसाइड, हमें यहाँ पे फायदा हो जाएगा एंड दीज पुट्स विल आल्सो स्टार्ट टू डीके. लेट्स से दीज पुट्स डिफ्लेट टू लेट्स से टू अ सिंगल डिजिट नंबर 10 रुपीज और 9.5 रुपीज पे आ जाता है. व्हाट वी गोना डू इज वी गोना डू द सेम थिंग, वी गोना शिफ्ट दीज पुट्स बैक अप टू 14,300. पहले हाफ क्वांटिटी शिफ्ट करेंगे, उसके बाद पूरा क्वांटिटी शिफ्ट करेंगे. And look at this, I have already kept the stop loss on the put side. 14,250 puts को 21 rupees पे हमने already stop loss रख दिए हैं. So what's the worst case that's gonna happen? Let's say हमने मार्केट को देख नहीं रहे, ठीक है. अब अगर देख भी रहे हैं तो सडनली एक 1 मिनट कैंडल पे 50 पॉइंट मूव आ गया. So these puts are going to expand to 21. ठीक है. We'll get the stop loss. We'll get out of the trade by giving our stop losses. At the same time, ये 7 points को ये कॉल्स जो है 100% कॉम्पेंसेट करेगा. इफ नॉट फॉर 7 पॉइंट्स, एटलीस्ट 5 पॉइंट्स तो 100% कॉम्पेंसेट करेगा. सो दैट वे विल बी लूजिंग ओनली 2 पॉइंट्स. 2 पॉइंट्स इज हाउ मच? इज अराउंड 6K, विच इज डिसेंटली ओके बिकॉज ऐसे मूव्स को कोई हैंडल नहीं कर सकता. So that's why our stop losses are a bit tight. And जैसे 14.21 पे stop loss hit हो जाता है, we are not gonna sit idle. We are gonna go further deep out of the money and we'll short the puts to recover some of the losses from this 14,250 put. Time is 11:20. Some modifications that we have done to our current positions. What we have done is ये जो हमारा straddle का जो position था वो हमने सेम रख दिया 33,100 and which is trading at 57 rupees and the stop loss is at around 124 rupees. What we're gonna do is we're gonna modify it to 105 rupees. ठीक है. And at the same time हमने क्या किया है, we have added another 33,300 call at 37 rupees which is giving a decent profit, and also we have added some far out of the money puts, 32,300 puts and 32,200 puts at 38 and 50 rupees respectively, which are also giving us the profit. So currently what we are looking at is around 7K in mark to market in our bank nifty trades. ठीक है. And the margin used is just 2.5 lakhs. So which means we have already captured close to around 2.5% of the margin deployed. ठीक है. And currently what we have is 35 plus 45, around 80 bucks here and around 80 bucks here. So another 160 points, which should amount to somewhere around 10K. So we are looking at around 16 to 17K of MT mark to market on bank nifty trades. And on the nifty front, what we have done is we have not done much of the changes. The 14,250 put remains the same, remains where it is, and the 14,500 call also remains where it is. We are sitting on a 250 points triangle, which is currently worth around 16 rupees. No, sorry, 26 rupees, my bad. 26 rupees, and we have almost collected around 14 points of DK before 11:15. That is around within 2 hours of the market action, we have collected around 14 points of DK on Nifty. So what's the next course of action? यहाँ पे जो मैंने horizontal lines draw करके रखा है, that should be a support. Those are all the areas of interest. Either they can act as support or the resistances. So 14,350 has been a buying zone, right? So from 14,350, the market had suddenly bounced off to 14,900 levels. So there has been a 600 point up move from 14,350. Therefore, we can clearly assume that 14,350 is a demand zone. So we're gonna wait and watch how the market's gonna react around 14,350 levels, because everyone is expecting some sort of a buying that's gonna happen. So यहाँ से जो short करके बैठे रहते हैं, they don't want to wait till the 14,350 is breached. They have already made good profits. They don't want to take an additional risk of sudden short covering at these levels. So what they're going to do is they're going to book the profits here. And at the same time, people who are willing to buy in the dips, so this is a place for them to buy in the dips. So 14,350 पे वो लोग क्या करेंगे? They'll also come down and they'll also come in and they'll also place their buy order. So around these levels, exactly 14, अभी जो 14,359 पे आया, so plus or minus 10-15 points, वहां से एक बाइंग आ सकती है, and that's what we are already looking at. There has been a green candle that is forming. So अगर short covering rally आ जाती है, तो we don't want to be caught off guard in 14,500 calls. That's why 14,500 calls को जहां पे है वहीं पे रहने दिए हम लोग, and we haven't shifted it down to 450. एट द सेम टाइम 14250 पुट्स को हमने रिस्क ऑफ नहीं करके 14200 पे हमने शिफ्ट नहीं किए, बिकॉज 14200 is worth only 7 rupees or 8 rupees, and it will stop decaying after some point of time. After reaching like 5 rupees or something, it will stop decaying, but these calls might continue to spike up. So we have to maintain some sort of a neutral premium position. That's what we are looking at. We are looking at a sudden buying pressure that has been seen, and our bank nifty position is also doing okay-ish, nothing to be worried about. So we have stop losses in all the places. So stop losses अगर hit होता है तो we'll take some other counter positions, not to be worried about. And since we have already made captured around 13, yes, around 13-14 points of DK. The point is to take home at least 10 points of DK today, like nothing less than that. So we're gonna do everything to take 10 points home. So having said that, what we're gonna do is we're going to keep a stop loss on this as well. We're going to keep the stop loss to 22 on this. So any sudden up move, let's say some short covering that we saw on bank nifty during that loan moratorium का दिन, अगर ऐसे कुछ मूव आ जाता है तो we won't be in a position to help ourselves. So दोनों जगह पे stop loss रखे हैं हम लोग. The moment the stop losses get triggered, what we're going to do is we'll keep all the other calls and other puts ready. First, this is 14300 put if you want to shift this back up, and at the same time 14550 550 calls if you want to shift these away. At the same time 450 calls, suppose let's say the market starts coming crashing down, and if you want to manage, if you have to manage these premiums of these puts, we might have to shift down our calls as well. So that being said, nothing to be we are doing pretty okay, we are doing pretty fine. So no changes until 14350 is breached. So all right guys, there has been a huge spike, huge upside spike. This is a 60-point candle in a span of 2 minutes. So that spiked up these 14400 calls to the sky. So we had to exit them at around 18 rupees, and then we got on to 14450 calls, and we have sprinkled our risks between 14250 put and 14200 puts, because random spikes on both the sides, right? So ऊपर भी जा सकता है, नीचे भी आ सकता है. So we'll never know. The next adjustment will be if this level gets taken out. अगर इसका high अगर breach होता है तो we're gonna shift all the puts to 14250. So that way we'll try to collect some amount of premiums, since the premiums are already decaying, and that took out almost 20k of our MTM profits. So this is what happens, like 5-6 points of slippage is very common, especially on the expiry days, since the gamma is extremely high. इतना high रहता है gamma कि option prices will be moving just like that. So there will be a lot of people like who are sitting to buy the options also. So when everyone starts dumping the options, and at the same time when option buyers start to buy the options, so these prices will start skyrocketing. So that being said, we might have to okay, another stop loss got hit. So what we're going to do now is we're going to re-enter our positions with 14500 calls. So we are back to square one. Okay, we are looking at a huge drawdown in our profits, and we almost lost 50% of our profits for this short covering move. And 14,300 put option. Crazy spike, right? It's just absolutely crazy, absolutely crazy. So we have a 250 points triangle here, so which is worth around 16 bucks. Even if we capture that 16 bucks, also somewhere around 45k, 45k for the day, another 45k, so 40, 45k. So looks like 14 to 250 puts has completely crashed, and we might have to go for 14,300 puts. Alright, random spikes everywhere. Oh my god, this short covering rally is what takes a lot of people off guard. What we have seen in today's market is from 14,572 to 14,260, almost more than 300 points down move, and then suddenly another 160 points up move, and now again market is kind of halting at this place. Bank Nifty is absolutely carnage. Bank Nifty is doing some shit today. It has dropped almost 1,000 points from the open, 33,400 to 32,400, which is 1,000 point move, and then it spiked back up by almost 1,000 points. So 1,000 point up move, 1,000 point down move. So everyone's stop losses are getting triggered. So what we have done is we have managed to do, I don't say well, because like we gave up almost 40% of our profits. So what we are sitting on is a 14,250 and a 14,450. It's a 200 points triangle, and we have another 30 minutes for averaging. जब averaging start हो जाता है, तो these options should crash a lot. ठीक है, यहाँ से almost 100 points we are exactly centered. 100 points दूर पे है हम दोनों तरफ से, and it has around 7.58 rupees. So what I have done is I have kept the stop loss of 10 rupees on both the sides. Whichever side the stop loss hits, that would be the end of our trading day, and we'd be recovering some of the, we'd salvage some of the value from these hedges. And on Bank Nifty front, I took some nifty straddles in this, but since I was not confident because of the kind of market that we are seeing, so I exited all the straddles, and we took a minor around 500-600 rupees loss from what we had seen. We had almost booked 7,000 rupees in Bank Nifty straddles and strangles, but we gave up some of our profits in Nifty straddles. So having said that, the plan is very simple now. Okay? So we have another 7 points to gain. Another 7 points, yes, correct. Another 7 points to gain, which itself will amount to another 20k, right? So that's what we are looking at. Even if we get around 20k from here, like we should be happy. We should be more than happy, because 1,000 points down move and 1,000 points up move, man. Like, who would have managed that? All right. Anyways, so unless we don't get some crazy spikes now, I think like whatever the damage that need to be done has already been caused by all these institutions by bringing in so much of volatility, and looks like the market should expire, शांति से expire होना चाहिए. अभी होता है तो ठीक है, अगर नहीं होता है, अगर फिर से एक और अपमूव आ जाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ करेगा, तो let's see. Okay, all right guys, मैंने last part of the video record नहीं किया है. So what we did is we cut out all our positions somewhere around 1450 के आसपास हमने सारे positions cut out कर दिए, because we were losing a lot on slippages. आप ही देख रहे थे 2 मिनट के पहले we were sitting on around 35-36k profits and suddenly we lost around 10k profits. That with just 2 adjustments. So if we kept on doing the adjustments, this 25k would have been zero in no time, right? Our lot size were like 40 lots. We were trading with 40 lots. So and the markets were extremely volatile. So what we did is we cut out the positions at somewhere around 250. That was the last trade. So total you can see that there have been 150 orders. So उसमें से एक 20-25 orders cancelled, rejected कुछ रहता. So at least let's say that we have placed around 130 orders where we need to pay somewhere around 5k charges today on this. And on this, so what we did is हमने क्या किया है? We tried to take some nifty positions also as I explained, but again they didn't work out. So what we did is we booked everything at around 6.5k. So together we managed to book around 31k profits. After charges it would be somewhere around 25k. So that's the end of the day guys. I hope you guys survived the market mayhems today. जो आज हुआ था उसमें से आप बच के निकल के आए हैं. अगर लॉस भी लिए रहेंगे तो इतना ज्यादा लॉस, I hope that लॉस बड़ा नहीं हो and you would have protected your capital. And having said that, let's hope for some calmer markets in the coming days. वैसे भी मंडे छुट्टी है. Tomorrow I'm going to be trading lightly and I'm going to be trading without hedges and I'm going to be trading, and also I'm going to make a video tomorrow for what will be the range for the next week. अगर next week अगर बनाना है, positions लेना है तो range क्या रहना चाहिए. With that I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.